What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Christmas is right around the corner, so let's talk about some last minute gift ideas that you can get for your whoever, or you can just get them for yourself because they're a good deal. Let's jump into it. All right guys, so all of these deals are gonna be from MaxShine.com. We do a lot of stuff together. We have a discount code. That's why I'm doing this specifically with them, because I want to give you guys some deals for Christmas. If you just use my code IMJOSHV15, I'll have the links down in the description to these specific products. But then you get 15% off. Plus, some of these items are already discounted, so then it gets you even lower, and it's a fantastic deal. So jumping right into it, guys. Two of these things I've spoken about in the past, so I'm going to talk about those really quickly, really fast. Number one is the M8S bundle. That is this polisher here. It's an 8mm throw, fantastic polisher. I did a whole review on this, compared this to a couple different polishers, and this little guy is a powerhouse. Fantastic, powerful motor, really great little polisher. Not just for the beginner, but for anybody really that needs an 8mm throw. I typically operate now, when I first started, 8mm was the standard throw, which is just the amount of movement that the pad has. And 8mm was the standard. Nowadays you have 15mm, 21mm, all this kind of good stuff. Basically the larger throw it has, the faster it's able to correct. However, the larger it is, it can bog down on certain curved panels. The 8mm is a fantastic choice to power through all those tight panels. So for this, it's a $90 polisher, $89.99. In the bundle that I have linked down below, it's $89.99 also, but you also get the polisher, you get some polishing pads, some microfiber towels. Then if you use my code IMJOSHV15, it comes down to like 76 bucks, which gets you free shipping on a fantastic little kit. So that's deal number one. For deal number two, it's right here on the site, and I can't believe this is happening. Like, this is just crazy. I started this YouTube channel like a year and a half ago, and now on MaxShine you've got the IMJOSHV holiday kit. Now this is actually just a carryover from the Black Friday kit that we did, but it's a fantastic deal. You get their foam cannon. Here, I'll just go through it. Foam cannon, duo twist loop drying towel, which is fantastic. A couple different brushes, microfiber towels, applicator pads, glass cleaner, tire shine, cherry wax, which is a sprayable wax, and their high suds ultra foaming wash, and a wash mitt. Fantastic deal. I think it's normally around 190, 200 bucks. Then they discounted it down for the holiday deal. And then you can still use my promo code on that. Gets down to like 105 bucks. Fantastic holiday gift for Christmas. A cool thing about these little bundles, guys, is if you just order the bundle, they'll ship out in a dedicated box. So this is one here. It comes in like that. It's like a great little Christmas gift. It's almost like, I mean, the way they do their packaging, their box, you almost don't need to wrap it. It's kind of like it has wrapping paper on it already. It's really cool, just with the print they have on them. So again, I don't know if that's going to be the case. Like if you order that kit and then some other stuff, it's probably all going to be in one box. So keep that in mind. But don't be discouraged from buying extra stuff if you need it. So, okay, now both of those gifts are fantastic for someone or for yourself because they're a great value. This next one is not for the crazy enthusiast, probably not someone who watches this channel, but someone who cares about their car, wants to take care of it well, but they don't have all the stuff that they need, including a pressure washer. If you don't have a pressure washer, but you still want to foam up your car, well, MaxShine put this little kit together, and this is called the Low Flow Kit. Let me just pull it over here, and I'll pull some of the stuff out of it for you guys. Again, I'll have this link down below, and it'll give you, you just use my code and it'll give you 15% off. So you have the low flow, low pressure foaming gun. Now this guy just hooks up straight to a garden hose. You don't need a pressure washer. This does not, I repeat, does not foam like a typical foam cannon. Not even close. However, it is a great solution for adding some suds to your car wash. It's fun for people. It's a good little kit. It's just, again, for the enthusiast, for the professional, all that kind of stuff, the people that typically watch this channel, it's not a foam cannon, but it is a really cool piece that does a great job. Next up in the kit, guys, they do give you the ultra foaming wash. I have some right here. This stuff is fantastic. Really great foaming car wash soap. Great lubrication, great cleaning ability, and foams a ton. So really cool there. I'll just put that one there. This one's all packaged up. Next up, you get a microfiber wash mitt. Okay, so you're doing your wash, you fill up your bucket, all that kind of good stuff. Throw this in there, foam up your car with the low flow, and then go in with this guy and do your contact wash. Rinse your car down, and then it's time to dry, and you have the purple twisted drying towel. This is not the Duo. The Duo is it's this same material right here on both sides. This one is just a single side, and then on the other side is a really soft fabric, which is really nice too. It's not, obviously not as good for drying as this side, but it works really well on windows and all that kind of stuff. It's safe on your paint. It's a fantastic choice as well. Really, really cool towel. It's 24 inches by 36 inches, so it's a nice big oversized towel. Just with that one side of the twist loop, you'll be able to dry your car no problem. So fantastic drying towel here, guys, as a part of the kit. And then lastly, guys, MaxShine's always cool about this. They always throw in a couple little extra fun things, stickers, air fresheners, all that kind of good stuff. So that is it. That is your low flow kit. Really cool option. Again, I don't think it's for the professional enthusiast, all that kind of stuff, but if you have someone in your life who loves their car, but they're not crazy as you and I are about this whole thing, then this is a great option. Really cool little kit. Again, like I said, if you just order that kit specifically, it comes shipped in a box like that, so good to go. Okay, now I just want to talk to you guys about a couple of individual items that I absolutely love, make super cool, like stocking stuffers. And I haven't talked about these before. Well, some of them I have, some of them I haven't. But we'll jump into it right now. Number one is the Easy Wheel. So basically what this is this part just slides right under your tire when you're washing your car, whatever else, garden hose, electric, power cord, all that kind of stuff. A lot of times when you're working around the car, they get stuck at the tire. Well, these, you just wedge it under the tire, and then it has this little slider here, and everything just slides smooth. You don't get all caught up. So a really cool piece right there. I don't know if you can see in the packaging, but I'll flash some stuff up on the screen so you guys can see a little more about it. Really cool little piece there. Now, number 2Z is broken down in quite a few different parts. It's brushes, and these are my favorite brushes that I've ever used. So I've talked about these in the past, right here. These are the MaxShine ESS, which is the extra soft, what's it called? ESS is extremely, I don't remember what it is. ESS. Anyways, fantastic brush, super soft. Let me pop this open. And you can buy them individually, or you can buy them in this duo pack, which is what I prefer. You get a shorter one and a longer one, depending on what you're doing. But they are extremely soft. So here you go, guys. You can see just how soft they are. Like crazy soft. These work absolutely fantastic on exteriors. They work well on interiors. They're fantastic brushes. I've used these for interior and exterior. The only downside of using them on interior is when you have a pretty clean car, it's great. You just use them. They create a nice amount of suds when you're doing door panels and things like that. But the fact that they're so soft, it makes it hard to dig in, like around the center console. Sometimes you'll get crumbs in between the shift boot and all that kind of stuff in the tight little wedges. And this, because it's so soft, doesn't dig that stuff out. Now you want to be careful, right? You don't want to scratch anything while you're trying to dig stuff out. That's why I continue to use these. But basically what I'll typically do is I'll hold it tight and try and tighten it up, and then you get a little more stiffness to the brush, and you're able to dig stuff out a little better. Well, MaxShine came out with a new brush, a new kind of whole collection of brushes that I absolutely love. I can't speak highly enough of these things. They are amazing. They're the only company that I've seen that has them. And they're right here, guys. I'm gonna show you. They are the MaxShine rounded brush combo, and then you also get this little guy, sold separately, I believe. This one's filthy, but it comes with this nice little carrying kit. Pops open. I'm sorry, not filthy. I have used this one quite a bit, but it's still staying pretty clean. And what it is, guys, is it's a short, semi-stiff, but extremely soft brush. This is game changer for getting into those spots that I was just talking about, around the shift boot, like around your center console that has crumbs. This thing you can stick right into your ventilation, your car vents. It just goes right in, and you can, I mean, it's unbelievable. It's almost like a nail brush, you know, those deals that you can hold on to and then clean your nails, except it's super soft. It's like, guys, I'm telling you, when they showed me this a little while ago, but they just came in stock. These things are unbelievable. The first time I saw it, I picked it up and I was like, no way, this thing's incredible. I've never seen anything like this from any other brand, like I said, and I was just blown away when I saw it. Started using them, started playing around with them. Guys, I can confidently say, go get these. They are absolutely fantastic. So you have this one, and then in this little kit, let me pop this open. Whoops, whoops. You get a 3-pack. 3 different sizes on 3 different lengths. And unbelievable, guys. Same deal. Nice and stiff, but super, super soft. Let's see if it'll focus for you. There we go. Just unbelievable brushes. Like, I'm telling you guys, go get these things, try them out. For the professional, like, this is a great gift because it does a fantastic job. But guys, I'm telling you, even if you're not buying for a gift, you're buying for yourself, these are where it is at. These are my favorite new brushes. This little 4-pack is unreal for interiors. I love them. Can't speak highly enough of them. Go get them, you'll love it. Thank me later. Okay guys, and last up, we're gonna be talking about, again, so these brushes I'll use on my, now that these ones came out, these are my new interior brushes. These ones I'm using on my exterior because they're so soft, they're not damaging the paint. You know, you can get into all the emblems and all that kind of stuff, dig everything out of there, nice and soft while you're foaming up the car. Then I'll switch to the interior for these guys, and then as an interior little final detailing tool, I'll use the detailing swabs from Max Shine. These things are unreal as well. I've got a couple of them here, but they come in a bunch of different shapes and sizes, lengths, all that kind of stuff. You can see 2 of them here are coned. So these are really, really great for getting deep into stuff. There's a couple different, I think there's like 2 different finishes to them. There's one that's kind of like I don't know what material it is, obviously, but it's kind of a silky finish. And then there's ones that are a little bit of a foam type finish. So here, let me grab, some of these are dirty because I use them. Okay, so here's one that is a foam finish. I don't know if you can see that really well. But anyways, that's a foam finish one. And then this one is the one that's a little more silky finished. Also a little bit smaller of a profile because the foam's obviously thicker. But again, these things are absolutely fantastic for doing those final detail oriented things, especially, you know, vents, all that kind of good stuff. These brushes you're gonna use to agitate everything out. These ones you can go in and fine tune and get them absolutely perfect. So, yeah, a bunch of stuff here from Max Shine that I use it every day in my business. I love these tools. The one just to be perfectly honest with you guys, the one that I'm most excited about is these brushes that I was showing you. These things, like I said, are just unbelievably cool. They really, really, really do a fantastic job. This one too, like you can load up a door panel and just scrub it all out, and they're fantastic. So if you don't get anything else, go get those, try those out, you're gonna love them. So that's it guys, I hope that helps you. Hopefully most of your Christmas shopping is done, but these are absolutely great options to give to your brother, sister, significant other, whatever, any car enthusiast in your life. Great gifts. So I hope that helps. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. We have another video coming up that's another fantastic Christmas gift. Anyways, guys, like I said, Christmas gift or for yourself, go check them out. We'll see you guys on the next one. Before we get into all this good stuff, guys, I wanted to do the giveaway. If you remember well, about a week ago exactly, I did the best pressure washers under $100. We have 4 pressure washers to give away. Thank you for everyone who participated in this. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to my Instagram page. If you don't follow me there, go do it, please. Here's the page here. So I'll put a link down in the description for you guys as well. Go check that out. But here we go. So I'm gonna scroll through all the way to the bottom so that it's fair and make sure that everyone has a chance to win here. Here we go, guys. Number 1 winner is Mateo Down 100. Says, you're the man, giving 4 of these away around Christmas is the perfect gift for someone. Hopefully I'll win. Most underrated channel on YouTube. Appreciate that, Mateo. Matt? Mateo, yeah, Mateo. Thank you very much, bro. I appreciate it. One of these will get sent out to you. Just make sure you comment, send me a direct message on Instagram, and I'll make sure to get that out to you. You know, give me your address and I'll get it shipped out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna choose someone from the YouTube comments as well, because some of you had posted on there saying, hey, I'm posting here, I don't have Instagram. I'm not gonna hold that against you. So we're gonna do that real quick on here, YouTube channel, comments, and this one. Very informative video. I really appreciate the time you take explaining stats of your machine. Julio Sanchez. So Julio, just make sure you comment on this video down in the description, and that way I'll know. Let's see here. Yeah, comment down below and then we'll figure out a way to get it out to you. All right, guys, going back to the Instagram channel page, and next winner will be, all right. Ryan Podrup. Great video. Thank you for helping me make a choose. Anyway, Ryan Podrup, congratulations. Let me check and make sure you posted on YouTube. Yep, and there you are. So congratulations. Send me a direct message on Instagram. We'll get that out to you. Now again, guys, I know I'm not letting you guys choose which one you're getting. I'm just gonna kind of print them out and put them out and send them out. But again, they're free to you, so whatever, right? Hopefully you guys like them. They're all great machines, so there's really no problem there. They're all fantastic machines. Okay, that was number 3. Let's go to number 4. And we've got Knight Rider 501. Hey Josh, thanks so much for the info. Just getting started detailing my cars. I also posted on the YouTube site. Keep up the great job. So Knight Rider 501, you are the 4th winner. Go ahead and send me a direct message. We'll get all this stuff out to you guys. So congratulations. Thanks for being a part of the giveaway. Obviously, we have more giveaways coming up. I always try and do this pretty consistently. So make sure you're subscribed and keep up for it for another chance to win.